Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Krieger, and today we'll be removing the muffler from my Ninja 300, and I'm gonna show you how it sounds. I've already done it, and I think it's extremely loud, but I'll just do it for the video for fun. Why not? So let's first do a before sound with a muffler on. It's a stock muffler with a cat in it. So that is how it sounds while at the idling speed. Let's give it a little rev. It is reasonably loud, but not too extremely loud. So for this job, to remove the muffler, you're gonna need a couple things. One of which is a hex screw number 5. So first thing you'll do, you'll just remove this thing, which is a cover for the muffler. And I've already loosened up a couple bolts, so it comes out nice and easy. So after that, on the underside, it has a little thing which you'll have to also remove. And when it's nice and loose, what you do is you push it forward and slide it out. And don't forget this little plastic piece. That's like a protector or something. And after that, all that is left is to remove this thing right there. And I do not remember which size it is, but we'll find it. We will find it. Too big. Let's see. I think it's this one. Yep. It is that one. Wrong way. Remember, guys, lefty loosey. Comes out pretty nice and easy. First time it got stuck, I had to use the WD-40. So be careful with it, guys. Oh, and one more thing, I forgot about this. I'm telling you, I haven't done it in a while, so I don't really remember. I think that's the size. Nope. Maybe this. No, this looks way too big. This, nope. Yep, found it. So yeah, you just remove this right here. And make sure you don't lose parts, because it has a connecting bolted nut on the other side. So you just take it out nice and smooth, preferably with this part right here. Doesn't want to come out for some reason. But yeah, let's leave it in for now. Hopefully we don't lose it. And you just twist it out slowly. And here we have it. Straight piped Ninja. So let's take it for a little spin. Let's close the door. It's gonna be extremely loud, guys. I'm warning you, and I'm warning myself as well. So here we go. Oh, and one more thing. Do not ride like I am about to right now. Please wear all your gear all the time, guys. Here you go. It's piercing my ears, guys. It's extremely loud. That's idling speed, guys. Look. very loud. Let's go for a little spin real quick. Very, very loud, guys. It sounds almost like a freaking Harley or something. Well, maybe even louder than that. It's very loud. It's very loud, guys, and it's spitting flames all the time. We're just gonna go for a quick little spin here. I'll let it warm up a bit and I'll do a little pull. But I'm telling you guys, it's very, very, very loud. Like, I couldn't withstand it for like even half an hour, guys. It's that loud. Extremely, extremely loud, guys. Alright, let's do a little pull. Very loud, guys. I'm doing it so you don't have to, you know? Because I was very curious as well. I was like, hey, I bet it's gonna sound sweet without a pipe, but listen, it's extremely loud. You might not be able to hear it that well in the video, but it's too much, guys. Just take my word for it. Like, you hear it? It's too much. It's way too much. But for like a little 5-minute ride, it's alright. And if you want to wake up all your neighbors, go for it. Let me check one thing. I think I forgot a bolt on it. And I don't want to lose it. Yep, I did. Sure did. Oh, and it's pretty hot. Ah, fuck. Yep, do not lose this thing, guys. It was a stupid mistake. Stupid loud, guys, I'm telling you. It's fun, but it's stupid loud. Let's go back to the house and put this damn thing back on, because I can't do it, guys. It's way too loud. It's sweet though, not gonna lie. Has a little rumble to it, you know? A little Harley rumble. But I was told by a lot of my friends that if you run it like this for a while, it messes up the, you know, computer inside the bike, like the chips and stuff. And bike starts backfiring a lot, and it starts having some kind of issues like using too much gas and stuff. So I do not suggest doing it for long periods of times. But it's sure fun from time to time, you know? Alright guys, that was about it, and I'll go ahead and put the stock muffler back on, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out and ride safe.